Sustainability is about people and planet, but of course it's also good for our business. Whatever we do day in and day out is contributing to a better environment, has a positive impact on our community, and is also a good contributor to a fantastic bottom line result. Our co-workers are very much aware that we are a responsible company and they know what they do in their field every day. So I would like to invite you to join now a tour through our store, IKEA Zagreb, to see what each and every function is contributing to a better future. These are some of the things we are doing for a sustainable way of business in IKEA Zagreb. With a strong cooperation and a commitment throughout the entire store, we managed to deliver a better result and even higher growth. Sustainability is good for coworker, customer, our environment, and of course also for our business. I would be very happy to see if you got inspired to see some of good ideas to become reality also in your store. And I would like to close with the thesis of Ingvar Kamprad saying, most of the things remain to be done, glorious future.